Super Salto sailplane is a 40-pound jet engine that generates... Oh, there's the red light gun from the signals. There's the green and red and green. Thank you, Tower. We got it. Let's give the folks in the tower a big round of applause. Now, make some noise because they're listening. They can hear you. Make some noise. Again, 40-pound small jet engine on the back. As we see the smoke being left by the sailplane, you, ladies and gentlemen, are seeing a perfect sky right now. The smoke's holding for him. Bob Carlton saw some of this yesterday and was thrilled with how the smoke was holding. Republic. 225 pounds of thrust, 240 pounds of thrst, weighing just 40 pounds. He also wants to thank, Bob Carlton wants to thank Customer Component Manufacturing by Excel Manufacturing, M&M Fabrication, Precision Fabrication, Lighting by Wheelan Engineering, Parachute by Strong Enterprises, Maintenance by Enchantment Aero Services, Avionics by Micro Avionics in Queensland, Australia, Digital Instruments by U.S. Aviation, Blue Sky Avionics, Turmoil by etc. And specially with glasses. Again, PBS from the Czech Republic makers the TJ100 jet engine, the power He's flown hang gliders, airplanes, and sailplanes from hundreds of sites in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. He's also flown air shows professionally since 1993. He's from Albuquerque. He's a member of the Soaring Society of America and the International Council of Air Shows. He's one of the most versatile air show performers in North America. And you know, you say you don't have to be a rocket scientist to be a pilot. Well, in this case, it helps because Bob Carlton is a rocket scientist for a major national laboratory as he circles around the tower. I hope you'll join me in a huge round of applause for Bob Carlton.